First ingredient, flour.
3 tablespoons of flour.
For each of them.
Wait, Holden, where's your mug?
It's right here.
Wait, like
1 tablespoon. Next ingredient is 1.5 tablespoons of cocoa powder.
I'm not sure we're doing 1.5.
1.5. Oh no!
Alexa, do you want
But it's 1.5 per cup. Yeah, 1.5. Just eyeball 1.5.
Wait, 6 tablespoons.
Divided by 4 is 1.5.
Yeah, I'm sorry.
But this is tablespoons.
Yeah.
So
Yes.
we did 6 tablespoons for each.
No! 6 tablespoons for all of us, which is 1.5 for 4 people.
Oh
my gosh!
Yeah,
You put 6 tablespoons of that in one.
That's true.
A pinch of salt, provided by Mr. Langford.
Wait.
And next, stir is combine the oil, milk, and vanilla.
Okay, so I brought the oil, guys.
I brought the vanilla. I'll do the vanilla.
Wait,
while you
how
do
much
oil.
is? Where's the oil?
Where it is?
I'm gonna put the things that we need.
So do 1.5 oil per person.
1.5 tablespoons.
Yeah, 1.5 tablespoons
Or
per person.
teaspoons.
Tablespoons.
I think teaspoons.
It says tablespoons. It's tablespoons.
I hope we wrote this down.
Now you need
How much milk do we need?
3 tablespoons of milk. No, I don't.
Can I put a little more milk in mine? Because
No, you have to wait because it's supposed to be thick.
No, we need sugar. We didn't do sugar.
Wait, hold on. I have to go back.
That is terrible.
Yeah, because there's no sugar in it. Okay. Did we not do sugar? Never said sugar.
Ew, that is nasty.
There's no sugar in it. Oh my gosh. I thought that
Isn't
was
there enough sugar in the cocoa powder?
What cocoa powder do you use?
I don't know.
There's no sugar in cocoa powder.
Maybe I'm just crazy.
I don't think I want to let you in the kitchen. Well, like, is there enough sugar in this milk for the cake? Like,
Is there
no.
enough sugar in the milk?
Wait, I'm
It's
not.
not really mixable.
I'm not gonna.
You have to lift it up a little.
Oh, second.
See it? Can you see it from here? Done with what?
It's very liquidy.
Oh, should we do 2 at a time?
Look at my little monkey mug.
Yeah.
Fire.
You video in the microwave.
Yeah, it's just.
Whoa! B-roll. Vaughn Lopez has a lot of computers.
Go on and tell me when you're done.
Maybe she ready? No, because they
Don't show me.
wouldn't go Alice.
Wait, okay, don't get like
Yeah.
anywhere. Wait, don't that, is it good? It's
everyone's all the way down.
Don't give me that much, okay?
Why? Are we not letting go?
It's
That was 27 minutes. Can I get a bait mouse? No, that wasn't. Mine was great.
What's wrong with yours, Ellie?
That only takes the circles.
It's bad. It's 3, 2, 1. Taste it.
still
Wait, should me and Ellie cheers?
Wait,
I'm not eating mine yet. It's too hot.
Cheers. Wait, why is Coralie all the time?
2, 1.
She got surgery.
Oh, yeah, I have good.
Wait, for
It
what?
might be terrible, but it's good.
She gets it.
Oh wait, it is good. Wait,
Still pretty
what?
cocoa
For
powder.
what?
Oh, it's way too hot.
So she has to
I think it's good. Wait, what do we rate it out of 10? Okay, our average score. Wait, hold on. Is it 26? What's 26
He's like, I was surprised that she was able to fix It's like he
I know.
it's
Wait,
more than
it's an 8.
but puts my name before
No,
the
an 8 is $32 back. So.
Oh, shoot.
Wait,
Oh, it's a 7.
No, that's the closest.
7.5.
she's hit the 7 adjacent. Go.
It's just like really hot.
But it's like good.
You're cleaning that up.
It's all
Gray, you have to clean it up.
What is that?
Great. Peace.
Bye.
Oh, bye.
Wait, I need to redo that. I like that. Bye.
Bye.
There. That's good.